Hi everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia, Turok here and welcome back to another property tour. Today we are in heart of Fitzrovia on Warren Street and I will be touring a stylish and modern one-bedroom apartment. Would you like to see more? Come and have a look. Once you enter the property, you have 4 leading doors to utility room, bedroom, bathroom and open plan living area with a kitchen. Look at this beautiful, modern, stylish apartment. It's very spacious and sunny. Now it's afternoon, so you have a morning sun coming in, flowing through the window. You can take a seat on this lovely sofa and watch your TV here. You have as well your office area, I would say, if you work from home or if you want to write a letter or something or to study. Of course, we are nearby University College London and British Museum, just walking distance. So if you're a student and you are looking to rent this apartment, that's ideal location for you. You have a dining area on this side, and let me show you open plan kitchen. Kitchen is very modern and is fitted with appliances like oven, hob, you have extractor hood, microwave, and also fitted full-size dishwasher. Kitchen is very sleek and modern. You have also fridge freezer here, full size. And let me take you to the bedroom. You have a shoe storage here, and bedroom is really spacious as well. It's really lovely and bright. You have a double bed here. You have a large wardrobe here with sliding mirrored doors, which is perfect for your outfit. So you can check and plan your outfits every morning. And then you have a lovely view on Warren Street where you have some coffee shops, you have a hairdresser there, restaurant, and because we are on Warren Street, we are close to underground station where you can basically travel everywhere around London. And you have a Northern Line and Victoria Line there as well. And now, let me take you to bathroom. Bathroom is very sleek and modern as well. You have a rainfall shower here, toilet, sink, and a lot of storage behind the mirrors. Radiator, and you have a lot of space for your towels or even plants. On the hallway, you have utility room where you find your washing machine as well. So you have extra storage even when you need to hide your hoover or ironing board. And that's pretty much everything. I'm doing 360 virtual tour of this apartment, and if you would like to explore it on your own, click the link down below. Warren Street offers a lot of amenities, cafes, restaurants and bars. You have on your doorstep also tube station. There are a lot of parks around like the Regent's Park or Russell Square, and also behind me there is a Tottenham Court Road and just walking distance Oxford Street. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more property tours like this, and I hope that I will see you in my next one. Bye!